Hello, my name is Jeffrey Ives. I work for Map Business Online, and today we're going to talk about the integration between Map Business Online and Salesforce.com. You can see Map Business Online is a business mapping software that provides, an accurate map for business applications like sales planning. There's demographic maps here. You can see this is a demographic map that we're looking at. We've got the ability to pull in customer data, classify that data, apply different color codes to the data. We can even apply sales territory mapping to Map Business Online. So there's a lot of things you can do with Map Business Online. So we're going to go over to Salesforce and talk about importing contacts and accounts from within Salesforce. If you'd like to move a group of data from Salesforce to Map Business Online, you simply go to the Sales menu up here in the right-hand corner and click Map Business Online right there. You click and that will open up the login, and so you would actually go to your Map Business Online login and it'll bring up your map. So what we're going to do then is import a data set from within Salesforce. We go up to the toolbar on Map Business Online and we click Plot Data on the Map. That opens up a dialog box. Within that dialog box, we've inserted the ability to grab data from Salesforce. Click Next, and then we decide whether it's going to be contacts, accounts, leads, opportunities, and we can filter the data if we want to by different aspects, by owner, by time segment, or by sales calculation. But essentially we're just going to plot that data on the map. In it comes, and we've got our records on the map, and it's going to bring up the data window and an opportunity to immediately color code that data. So we could color code it by different categories or by sales numbers, like in a chart format or by a heat map format, but we're not going to look at that today. The data is available here in the data window for you to view, to look at that data, and to consider the data on the map. If you hover over a point on the map, it'll bring up information about that particular contact, and if you click on it, it opens a little toolbar, and that toolbar includes a button here to show details in Salesforce. So now you've got Salesforce.com information right there at your fingertips from the map. You can also move along and do some searching of that data. You can do that on the toolbar as well. So there's a search tool up here to search by radius, polygon, and drive time. And you'll notice that on the actual toolbar down here, we've got a draw circle on the map button. We could click that and we could go out 100 miles, or we could go out 75 miles or 10 miles, however many miles we would like, and search the data that exists within that record. When we do that, it gives us the opportunity to save that data set as a data set of contacts. So let's call that contact subset. And it then will bring up a view of that data on the data window. So here's 14 records of the original 225 that we brought in that are within that circle on the map. And then you could route to all of those records. But what we're going to do is export that list for use inside of Salesforce as a campaign. So that lets us name it. So we'll say we're going to create a new campaign list. Let's export that. I'm going to create it. Open campaign in Salesforce window. And so here's your new campaign in Salesforce. So those are the three ways that we've integrated Map Business Online to work with Salesforce.com. And if you'd like more information, or if you'd like to talk to a salesperson, go to mapbusinessonline.com and check out our free trial. And we will do our best to help you enjoy Salesforce.com and Map Business Online. Thank you.